Welcome in Inspiring English Academy. You have successfully been enrolled for Business English Expressions with Vocabulary.
Now back to the drawing board. Back to the drawing board, it means same meaning but different, same meaning but different words. Like to go back to the drawing board means to start something over and go back to the planning stage. The protocol wasn't successful. We have to go back to the drawing board. देखिए इसका मीनिंग क्या है, इसका हिंदी मीनिंग देखते हैं. बैक टू द ड्राइंग बोर्ड इट मीन्स असफलता के बाद काम पीछे जाना और फिर से प्लानिंग करना शुरू करना. मतलब जब हमें असफलता मिलती है तो हमें क्या करना चाहिए, पीछे जाना चाहिए, देखना चाहिए हमारी तरफ से क्या क्या गलतियां हुई, उसको सुधारना चाहिए और फिर से प्लानिंग शुरू करना चाहिए. दिस ऑल प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड गो बैक टू द ड्राइंग रूम, back to the drawing board. The prototype wasn't successful, we have to go back to the drawing board. मतलब हमने जो हमारा प्रोजेक्ट सफल नहीं हुआ था, हमें पीछे जाकर के फिर से प्लानिंग करना शुरू करना होगा. When my brother failed in first attempt in MPSC, just repeat after me everybody. This is not a listening class, this is a speaking class, and we are going to continue this class till 9 o'clock only. After 9 o'clock, we are going to study the next phrases, next expressions, next vocabulary in the second day of the workshop. All right? So I am going to teach you till 9 o'clock only. So when my brother got failed in first attempt of his MPSC, he went back to the drawing board and he got success in his second attempt. I'm going to repeat. Please repeat after me. Everybody repeat after me. This is not a listening class. This is a speaking class. So please repeat after me. When my brother got failed in the first attempt of MPSC, he went back to the drawing board and got success in his second attempt. जब मेरा भाई पहले अटेम्प्ट में MPSC में फेल हो गया तो उसने और शुरू से तैयारी चालू की और वो दूसरे अटेम्प्ट में सक्सेसफुल हो गया. When my brother got failed in his business, he went back to the drawing board and he hired one consultancy services and he got successful in his second effort. मतलब फर्स्ट एफर्ट में जब मेरा भाई इस बिजनेस में फेल हो गया तो उसने कंसल्टेंसी हायर की और उसके बाद वो सक्सेसफुल हो गया. सो बैक टू द ड्राइंग बोर्ड इट मींस असफल होने के बाद वापस जाना और प्लानिंग करके दोबारा चालू करना, उसको बोलते हैं बैक टू द ड्राइंग बोर्ड. नाउ backroom deal. I think everybody knows about it. Backroom deal. Nowadays there are a lot of backroom deals in everywhere in offices, in all the offices, even in private offices, in public offices. Nowadays there are a lot of backroom deals. Nowadays there are a lot of backroom deals in families also. Understand? So what is the meaning of backroom deal? We are going to learn the correct meaning of backroom deal. What is the correct meaning of backroom deal? A backroom deal is an agreement. Or decision that is made without the public knowing about it. I think they got the government contract because of a backroom deal. किसी भी प्रकार की बैकरूम डील हो सकती है, रिश्वत देकर के बैकरूम डील हो सकती है, या किसी को न बताए हुए चुपचाप से कोई निर्णय लेना. That is called backroom deal. बैकरूम डील. व्हाट इज कॉल्ड बैकरूम डील? किसी को बिना बताए हुए चुपचाप से 2-3 लोग, जितने निर्णय लेने के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है उतने लोग एकत्र आना और एक साथ आना और डिसीजन लेना या एग्रीमेंट करना, उसको बोलते हैं बैकरूम डील. सी, बैकरूम डील इट मींस रिश्वत देकर पहले ही कॉन्ट्रैक्ट फिक्स करना. दिस इज वेरी कॉमन मीनिंग. बट बैकरूम डील इट मींस कोई भी लोग एकत्र आकर के चुपचाप से किसी को बिना बताए निर्णय ले लेना, उसको बोलते हैं बैकरूम डील. आई थिंक दे गॉट द गवर्नमेंट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बिकॉज ऑफ अ बैकरूम डील. मुझे लगता है कि बैकरूम डील के कारण ही उन्हें सरकारी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट मिला है. उन्हें सरकारी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट मिला है. सो बैकरूम डील इट मींस secret deal. You can see backroom deal it means is a secret deal. All right, just repeat after me this sentence. Very important word. This is not a listening, I repeat, this is not a listening class, this is a speaking class. So you are in, either you are in a mute status, but then also you are going to repeat after me and you are going to speak after me. Follow me. I think they got the government contract because of a backroom deal. I think the ministers got a lot of government projects because of their backroom deals. One of my friend who is a supporter of local corporator, he got 20 road contracts because of a backroom deal. Mr. Saxena was not capable to become a professor, to become a head of the department of science, but he was selected as a head of the department of the science because of his backroom deal. Because of his backroom deal. So backroom deal it means चुपचाप कोई पीछे से आप पहले ही एक अनपब्लिक न करते हुए, किसी को न बताते हुए जो डील की जाती है उसको बोलते हैं बैकरूम डील. Nowadays a lot of people are doing a backroom deals to get ahead in the competition. आजकल बहुत लोग कंपटीशन में आगे रहने के लिए एक सीक्रेट डील करते हैं, बैकरूम डील करते हैं और दे डोंट मेक इट पब्लिक. दे डोंट मेक इट पब्लिक और वो पब्लिक को ये बताना नहीं चाहते हैं. और एक मैं और एक बताना चाहता हूं बैकरूम डील के बारे में. Nowadays businessmen are having a backroom deal. So the corruption is arising. करप्शन बढ़ रहा है. इसका कारण है कि बहुत सारे बिजनेसमैन सरकार को बिना बताए हुए बैकरूम डील कर रहे हैं. So in this way, when we are going to work on backroom deal, it means we do not want to make that project public. Now, next vocabulary I'm going to tell you, ballpark number or figure. Like a ball, I'm just going to give you a Hindi meaning of it. I'm just going to give you a simple English meaning of it. Ballpark figure, it means is a very inexact estimate. Okay, I'm not sure what a Super Bowl commercial costs, but to give you a ballpark figure, I would say about $3 million. Okay, अनुमानित आंकड़ा इसको बोलते हैं. What is called a ballpark figure? अनुमानित आंकड़ा. I'm not sure what a Super Bowl commercial costs, but to give you a ballpark figure, I would say about $3 million. मुझे यकीन नहीं है कि एक सुपर बाउल की व्यावसायिक लागत क्या है, लेकिन आपको ये आंकड़ा लगभग $3 million के पास रहेगा. That is अनुमानित आंकड़ा, an unestimate figure. That is called ballpark figure. Okay, I don't know what is the cost of that flat, but I can say that that 25 lakh is a ballpark figure of that flat. मुझे उस फ्लैट की एग्जैक्ट कीमत मालूम नहीं है, लेकिन 25 लाख ये उसकी एक अनुमानित आंकड़ा है. Alright, so I just told you that this is not a listening class, this is a speaking class, so please repeat after me. I don't know exact cost of that flat, but I think 25 lakh rupees is a ballpark figure of that flat. Ballpark figure of that flat. Would you tell me, just repeat after me everybody, would you tell me the ballpark figure of this car? Would you tell me the ballpark figure of this car? क्या आप मुझे इस कार के अनुमानित आंकड़ा या अनुमानित रकम बताएंगे? इसका कीमत क्या है, अनुमानित कीमत क्या है बताएंगे? I did not go to America, so I do not know. I did not go to America, so I do not know the ballpark figure of travel expenses to go to America. I did not go to America. Repeat after me, everybody. I did not go to America, so I do not know the ballpark figure of travel expenses to go to America. मैं अमेरिका में नहीं गया हूं, इसलिए मुझे अमेरिका जाने का एक अनुमानित आंकड़ा ट्रैवल एक्सपेंसेस का मालूम नहीं है. अंडरस्टैंड? बिहाइंड द सीन्स, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. पर्दे के पीछे. पर्दे के पीछे इज अ वेरी वेरी पॉपुलर वर्ड इन हिंदी, एंड आल्सो इट इज in Marathi. It is a very popular word, behind the scenes. What happens in secret, or what is the, I'm just going to tell you meaning. What happens in secret or not in front of the general public is said to happen behind the scenes. Is said to happen behind the scenes. Just repeat after me this sentence. They make it look so effortless, but they do a lot of hard work and planning behind the scenes. I'm going to give you the Marathi, Hindi meaning of it. Behind the scenes, it means पर्दे के पीछे. Behind the scenes, it means पर्दे के पीछे. They make it look so effortless, but they do a lot of hard work and planning behind the scenes. वे इसे इतना आसान बनाते हैं, लेकिन वे बहुत मेहनत करते हैं और पर्दे के पीछे की योजना बनाते हैं. So behind the scenes, it means पर्दे के पीछे. Behind the scenes, it means पर्दे के पीछे. We see smart and handsome actors on the stage, but to make them handsome, the director takes a lot of efforts behind the scenes. Director takes a lot of efforts behind the scenes. हम सिर्फ मूवी में एक अच्छे स्मार्ट और हैंडसम एक्टर्स देखते हैं, लेकिन हमें मालूम नहीं है कि पर्दे के पीछे डायरेक्टर्स कितनी मेहनत करते हैं. पर्दे के पीछे डायरेक्टर्स कितनी मेहनत करते हैं. The students crack the interviews and they get multinational companies jobs, but they forget that their English teacher, Mr. Patil, has taken a lot of efforts behind the scenes to make them successful. बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स मल्टीनेशनल कंपनी का जॉब अचीव करते हैं, लेकिन वे भूल जाते हैं कि मिस्टर पाटिल ने उनके अंग्रेजी सुधारने के लिए पर्दे के पीछे कितनी सारी मेहनत की है. We should not forget our parents when we go on the highest position of our life, because they worked hard behind the scenes to make us successful. हमें हमारे पेरेंट्स को जब हम ऊंचाई पर जाते हैं तो हमें उनको भूलना नहीं चाहिए, क्योंकि उन्होंने हमें पर्दे के पीछे रहकर ऊंचाई तक पहुंचाने के लिए मेहनत की है. So behind the scenes it means पर्दे के पीछे. Behind the scenes it means पर्दे के पीछे. Now today's last vocabulary we are going to see, that is big picture. It is going to be today's last vocabulary. After this vocabulary, I am going to talk to all my students. So big picture, it means everything that is involved with a particular situation is called the big picture. So the big picture, it means badi soch. Big picture, it means badi soch. So I'm just going to tell you a English sentence. Even though we all have very specific tasks to do, our manager makes sure we don't lose sight of the big picture. भले ही हम सभी के पास अपने प्रबंधक को करने के लिए बहुत विशिष्ट कार्य है, यह सुनिश्चित करता है कि हम बड़ी सोच से न चूक सके. मतलब बड़े ही हमारे साथ पास छोटे छोटे काम हैं, लेकिन हमारा जो बॉस है वो सुनिश्चित करता है कि हम बड़ी सोच, बड़े लक्ष्य को चूके नहीं. If you want to get big in your life, you should have a big picture. You should have a big picture in your target. आपको यदि जीवन में कुछ बड़ा अचीव करना है तो आपको आपकी बड़ी सोच आपके टारगेट में होनी चाहिए. Nowadays, youngsters are getting success in the technology because of their big picture. आज यंगस्टर्स टेक्नोलॉजी में बहुत बड़ी सफलता ले रहे हैं क्योंकि वो बड़ी सोच रखते हैं. If you want your employees to get big success for the company, then you need to motivate them for the big picture. यदि आपके एम्प्लॉइज को आपको सक्सेसफुल बनाना है आपकी कंपनी में, तो आपको उनके दिमाग में बड़ी सोच रखनी होगी. In this way, friends, we have talked first 10 English vocabulary, business English vocabulary with expressions, business English expressions with vocabulary, the 10 words we have studied today. And these 10 words will definitely help you to understand British and American clients, British and American customers, and also it will help you to make your present English more effective and more fluent. I wish you all the best, and please write minimum 10 sentences of one vocabulary. Please write minimum 10 sentences of one vocabulary. And we have our Inspiring English Academy app, and we have our chat box. Please, if you have any doubts, you can place your doubts at our chat box. And also, if you want to make sentences and if you want to get it corrected from us, then please write those all sentences in the chat box of Inspiring English Academy, and we will reply you with the correct examples, or we will correct your examples. So it was nice talking to you all. I wish you all the best, and do not miss tomorrow's second workshop. It will give you a lot of different varieties of expressions and vocabulary. Thank you for joining me. Thanks a lot. Take care. Bye bye.